Hello, in this video, we are going to see how to glow an LED using a voltage regulator and a switch in the breadboard. Now let us see the circuit diagram. As you can see here, the components needed are a 7805 5-volt voltage regulator, a switch, and a LED, a 1K resistor, a 9 volts battery, and a couple of wires. Now let us go see the circuit. First, take a black wire and connect it to the inner hubs of the breadboard, here and here. Next, take a red wire and connect it to the outer hubs of the breadboard, like this. The red color is the 5 volts and the black color is ground. Now, connect the switch in the breadboard. After connecting the switch, connect the first terminal of the switch to the first terminal, which is input of the voltage regulator. Connect the second terminal of the switch to the ground of the voltage regulator. Then, behind the voltage regulator, in the ground, connect a black wire and the other end of the wire, the first end of the wire in the ground pin, which is the middle pin of the voltage regulator, till the other end should be connected in the inner hub of the breadboard. Next, take a red wire, connect one end of the red wire in the outer hub and the other end of the red wire in the output pin of the voltage regulator. Next, let's give the LED connections as seen in the last video. Cathode of the LED in the ground of the breadboard, anode in the LED in the breadboard, and in the same row where the anode is connected, connect the resistor and connect the other end of the resistor to the 5 volts outer hub of the breadboard. Next, last but not the least, we have to connect the batteries. Connect the positive red color wire of the battery to the first terminal of the switch. Then connect the black color wire, that is negative of the battery, to the second common pin of the switch. Now let us turn it on. Turn the circuit on and check whether it's glowing or not. Yes, it is glowing. So this is how we have to connect in our breadboard. Now let us do the hardware. So here we have a voltage regulator, a switch, and a resistor and an LED. Now let us connect the switch. The switch has two terminals. First terminal of the switch near the first terminal of the voltage regulator. At the second terminal of the switch near the ground of the voltage regulator. And make sure it's connected straightly. Like this. Then from the ground of the voltage regulator, which is the middle pin, connect the ground of the voltage regulator in the ground of the breadboard, which is the inner hub of the breadboard. Then connect the third pin, which is output pin of the voltage regulator, to the outer hub of the breadboard, which is 5 volts or VCC. Next, take a red color wire and connect two outer hubs of the breadboard like this. This side the outer hub to this side of the outer hub. Then take a black wire and connect both the inner hubs of the breadboard like this. Inner hub connected to inner hub, outer hub connected to outer hub. This is very important because the circuit is ground and VCC. Then, as seen in the last video, connect the cathode of the LED to the inner hub of the breadboard and anode of the LED anywhere inside the breadboard. Then connect the resistor in the same row as the where the anode of the LED is there, and connect the other leg of the resistor to 5 volts, which is outer hub of the breadboard. Now this is a circuit. It is done. Now let us give the battery connections. Give the negative to the second pin of the switch. Be careful not to touch both the points of the battery, and positive to the first terminal of the switch. Now let us on the circuit. And it's a success. Our LED is glowing. Thank you for watching.